Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a TikTok account using Facebook, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have downloaded the TikTok app, and now once you open it you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen where you can see the login section on the screen, and just down below it you will be able to see the sign up option which is in red color. Just tap over there and you will be redirected to the sign up section where you can see for sign up option. First one is use phone or email, another is Facebook, another is Apple, and last one is Google. So you simply need to tap on continue with Facebook, and once you verify your Facebook and make sure you complete few more formalities, and once you complete your formalities you'll be able to make a TikTok account successfully. So basically this is how you can make a TikTok account using Facebook, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.